Welcome back to Bite Size Future, the channel where we decode tomorrow's technology and show you how AI can help you build powerful brands, scalable businesses, and creative impact without requiring advanced design skills or massive budgets. Today, we are exploring the cutting-edge world of AI logo generators, tools that don't just design logos, but build entire brand identities in seconds. Each of these platforms serves a different kind of user, from entrepreneurs launching their first product to agencies managing multiple brands. And as AI rapidly evolves, understanding their strengths, limitations, and pricing is essential. What makes today's tools different from traditional design software is their ability to combine creativity, automation, and brand strategy powered by artificial intelligence. Let's dive deep into the latest AI tools transforming logo creation. Logo Diffusion is a groundbreaking AI-powered platform that uses advanced generative models rather than pre-existing templates. With this tool, users can generate logos purely from text prompts or sketches, allowing for originality on an entirely new level. It supports complex branding needs by generating vector formats, 3D, style outputs, and even matching brand assets for wider identity consistency. The main benefit of Logo Diffusion is its creative freedom and scalability, making it ideal for agencies, tech founders, and product innovators who need unique visuals. However, its limitation is that it requires a subscription starting at $24 per month, which may not be suitable for casual users or those seeking one-time downloads. Still, it represents the future of AI branding where imagination is the only limit. LogoAI takes a more structured approach. It blends automation with business strategy, generating not only logos, but also full brand kits, banners, business cards, and social media assets. The reason many startups are turning to LogoAI is its ability to produce cohesive branding from a single AI decision engine. You input your company name and industry, and in seconds, you receive a professional identity ready to use. Unlike subscription-heavy tools, LogoAI operates with a one-time payment structure starting at $29, and it provides full commercial usage rights. The downside is that results may feel somewhat generic because the platform uses a mixture of custom and pre-existing symbol libraries. Still, its ability to handle branding end-to-end makes it incredibly powerful for entrepreneurs. Logo.com focuses on speed and simplicity. It is designed for individuals who need a fast, simple logo with minimal branding steps. Users only need to input a business name and select their preferred style. This platform works well for users who want quick concepts or need to test multiple brand identities before choosing a final direction. It operates with a free logo generation model, charging only when you need high-resolution files and commercial rights. The costs typically start around $19.99. While the platform's biggest advantage is accessibility, its limitation is that it favors simplicity over deep customization. Still, it is one of the best tools for users launching quickly or creating temporary campaign branding. Logomakerr.ai takes innovation in a different direction with a freemium generation model. Users can generate as many logos as they want at no cost, and only pay when they want to export final files in high quality. What sets Logomakerr.ai apart is its design editing interface, which gives users control over fonts, icons, shapes, and spacing, making it a bridge between automated AI design and human creativity. Its pricing ranges from $29 to $99, depending on whether you want lifetime ownership or additional brand assets. While it doesn't offer deep generative AI capabilities, its flexibility and cost efficiency make it a favorite for startups, influencers, and first-time brand creators. Zoviz introduces a powerful value proposition: one-time payment with lifetime access. This is especially beneficial for users in emerging markets where monthly subscriptions may not be sustainable. Zoviz creates modern, professional logos with matching color palettes and branding elements, and it supports multiple languages, making it globally friendly. Prices start at about $19.99 for full commercial rights. Its limitation lies in its reliance on templates, which may reduce creativity, but its strength is that it gives users complete ownership of their logo without recurring charges. For users who want simplicity, affordability, and guarantee of ownership, Zoviz is a strong contender. Looka stands out as more than just a logo tool. It is a full branding engine. After generating your logo, Looka automatically creates brand guidelines, social media templates, business cards, mock-ups, and even AI-driven website designs. This ecosystem transforms a single logo into an entire brand presence. Looka offers one-time purchase options starting at around $20, as well as subscription plans that grant ongoing access to their full branding toolkit. While its comprehensive ecosystem is powerful, users who only want a logo may find the subscription unnecessary. Still, Looka is the perfect choice for businesses seeking continuity across all visual assets. Brandmark uses AI to optimize logo quality through visual psychology, focusing on how audiences emotionally respond to design elements. It intelligently selects typography, shapes, and spacing based on the tone of your business. For brands that want sleek, modern designs that align with digital trends, Brandmark is incredibly effective. Pricing ranges from $25 to $65, depending on file and brand kit needs. The limitation is that its icon library can feel repetitive across industries, but its strength is its ability to balance aesthetic appeal with strategic branding intent. Designs.ai is built for users who want more than just a logo. It is a complete AI-powered content creation suite that includes logos, AI-generated videos, voiceovers, and marketing materials. What makes it special is its ability to produce a full marketing campaign in one session, maintaining consistent branding across all platforms. Pricing begins around $29 per month, making it more suitable for agencies, marketers, or content creators who need continuous output. While it is not ideal for users who simply want a single logo, it is incredibly powerful for those seeking scalability and creative automation. 10Web's AI Logomakerr takes integration to the next level by combining logo creation with website development and hosting in a single package. This makes it ideal for business owners launching online brands who want to move from identity to execution effortlessly. Pricing starts at around $10 per month, including both logo generation and website hosting. While customization is limited compared to pure logo tools, its value lies in its ability to help users establish an online presence instantly without hiring designers or developers. Logopony is tailored for digital creators, offering fast and minimalistic designs that align with modern app, podcast, and content creator branding trends. It enables users to generate many logo variations within seconds and export files in multiple formats with full commercial rights. Pricing falls between $20 and $50 depending on package options. While it lacks deep brand kit features, Logopony is ideal for users who want a clean, modern, no-fuss identity in seconds. As we come to the conclusion of this exploration, what becomes clear is that AI logo generation is more than a convenience. It is a revolution in brand creation. Some tools, like Logo Diffusion, are opening the door to generative artistry powered by machine learning. Others, like Looka and Designs.ai, are transforming branding into an automated ecosystem. And tools like Zoviz and Logomakerr.ai are making professional branding accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. Whether you're building a global company, launching your first online store, or testing new ideas, there is now an AI tool tailored to your vision, timeline, and budget. This has been Bite-Sized Future, where tomorrow's tools are explained today. If this deep dive opened your eyes to the future of AI in branding, make sure you follow, because next time we're exploring AI tools that don't just design your identity, they build your entire online presence, marketing systems, and customer funnels automatically. The future is not just approaching, it's already here, and it's powered by you.